ma-strengthen ang campaign against illegal drug diri sa probinsya sa Iloilo by organizing the Barangay Bantay Droga, prescribing their duties and functions and providing funds therefore and for other purposes. Ang purpose siya gini para maging effective ang campaign against illegal drugs sa kabarangayan diri sa probinsya sa Iloilo, no? Ang isa sa mga salient provision gining ordinance among creation sa Barangay Bantay Droga, kundi ginakompose ni sa barangay officials, SK officials, barangay volunteer workers, members ng barangay such as members ng barangay tanod, barangay health workers, BNS, BSPO, kag liquor workers. During some second hearing there was a proposal na i-include ang civil society organization, ang Tricycle Drivers Association, Habal Drivers Association, kag isa kasi iso kundiin ang function nila related sa law enforcement. And nag-agree ako sa mga recommendation nga mo sina i-include as members ng Barangay Bantay Droga. Another salient provision sining ordinansa mong paghatag sa monetary reward sa members ng Barangay Bantay Droga na makahatag information leading to the arrest of suspected illegal drug pusher or filing of a case against a suspected illegal drug pusher or referral of a minor, in case minor ang suspected illegal drug pusher, referral sina sa Social Welfare Development Officer for appropriate action, no? So amo na ang award o kung ang monetary reward ng mabaton kung sino man gatag information na membro sa Barangay Bantay Droga is 10,000 pesos, not less than 10,000 pesos. In the event that the suspected illegal drug pusher is a barangay kagawad or SK official, the monetary reward shall not be less than 20,000 pesos. And in the event that the suspected illegal drug pusher is punong barangay, the monetary rewards shall not be less than 30,000 pesos. Ang ma-release ng monetary reward ang focal persons ng provincial government i-designate sa atong gobernador. Ang agad ma-release ng monetary reward dapat ma-meet ang mga criteria. One, dapat ang informant covered by the ordinance, no? Duly covered by the ordinance. What yung ganon siya na? In other words, dapat membro sa sang Barangay Bantay Droga, no? Kag ang information niya dapat specific, verified, kag lawfully obtained. Kag number 2, information dapat materially instrumental or contributed to lawful official actions. What yung ganon? Sining materially contributed to the filing of the case, to the arrest or referral to Social Welfare Officer. Kag ang number 4, information dapat hindi fabricated, hindi maliciously fabricated. Kag the information was not previously compensated by another government office, no?